Friends of nature, do you know who makes sweet music in the forest? Yes, that's it, the woodpecker. With its strong beak, the woodpecker hits the trees to find insects and create nests. It's like a natural drumbeat in the middle of the forest. Want to see its skills? We can see it flying from branch to branch with agility, as if it were dancing. Woodpeckers are not only unique, but also beautiful. With their bright colors, they are one of nature's unforgettable charms. So if you hear a knock while walking in the forest, get to know this natural architect, the woodpecker. See you on the next adventure. Like, share, and subscribe to learn more about other unique animals.